Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix when you are trying to browse reels on Facebook or Instagram. At that time guys, you are facing this type of problem. As you can see guys in my screen, something went wrong. This may be due to a technical error that we are working to get fixed. Don't skip this video because I will show you how to fix it step by step. So first you need to close your app. After closing, now you need to check your internet connection. How was your internet connection? If the internet connection is not doing well, at that time you can definitely face this type of problem issue. Okay, enable the airplane mode for few minutes and then turn off your airplane mode and try to browse your reel. Still, in case your problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to update your app. So I am using iPhone. I will open the App Store. If you are using Android phone, open the Play Store and search for your app. Okay, if the app update is there, you need to update your app. After updating, it will 100% fix your problem. If you are using Facebook or Instagram, update your both app. After updating, you need to open your app and it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to check your phone date and time setting. If the phone date and time setting was incorrect, you need to correct this. In case your phone was connected to a VPN, you need to disconnect the VPN from your phone. After doing this guys, also you need to update your phone. If you are using iPhone or Android phone, go to software update, and if the update is available, simply go ahead update your phone. After updating, still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Sometime guys, what happened, the app server was down from their side, so in that case you can't do anything. You need to wait for few minutes. After waiting, try again, open your app and try to browse your reels. It will 100% fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method to fix this kind of problem issues on your Android phone. So 90% main reason behind this error is this guys, due to internet connection only. That's it. Okay, so that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.